take this opportunity to express the gratitude of the Indian community for doing wonderful job on this area. And one thing I can specifically say is that Mr. Aboobacker and the group, Safari Mall, they are committed to the society. Because the pandemic-19, all the halls closed in Sharjah. Fortunately, Safari Mall, there were a lot of programs according to the law of the COVID-19 pandemic. Thankful you for having invited me to attend this auspicious occasion.
Always and lot of more than 50 items, cakes we are producing and for the public, and hope that you are satisfied for this our always the programs different types.